Hey everyone, Kristen here. As you know, I believe homemade is best, but it doesn't need to be complicated. And today we're going to transform your leftover baked potatoes and we are going to make the most irresistibly crispy, cheesy air fryer potato skins. They're so easy to make and they're absolutely delicious, so let's get cooking. So you want to slice off just the bottom portion of your baked potato there. And then you just want to use a little cookie scoop or spoon and just remove the inside of the potato filling. Just kind of make a boat so that it can hold more fillings. But you want to leave a little bit of the potato intact. That'll keep the skins from falling apart. It'll also just add a little bit more texture and substance to your potato skins. And don't throw away the inside. You can use those to make mashed potato cakes or a mashed potato casserole as well. Let's make a seasoning for our potatoes. We're gonna combine some melted butter, about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, depending on how many potato skins you're making, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a little bit of black pepper. So you're gonna season up the interior there. And then once you've seasoned the inside of the potatoes, place them flush down in your air fryer, making sure you leave room so that they can all crisp up. So I was able to fit about 5 in there today. Then you want to brush the outside of the skin as well, just to give it some incredible flavor. Now, if you were using baked potatoes that skin had already been seasoned, you can skip this step. These were plain baked potatoes, so they need a little bit of flavoring to make irresistible potato skins. Let's pop these in the air fryer. We're gonna air fry these at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you want to remove your basket, and then you want to flip over your potato skins there carefully. Look at how golden and crispy those look. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our cheese first. This is just a shredded Monterey Jack here. You could use sharp cheddar, you could use mozzarella, you could use Swiss cheese, whatever you like. And then to help weigh that cheese down, I'm adding in some bacon, and that bacon on top there will help the cheese from flying around your air fryer. And of course, just add some delicious flavorings. And then we're gonna pop these back in the air fryer for just another 5 minutes at 400 degrees until the cheese is melted and the bacon is nice and crispy. Smells incredible in here, that bacon and cheese. And you can see there that everything is nice and crispy, and the bacon has just gotten super, super crispy. Even though it was already baked, you do want to use pre-baked bacon or bacon bits. Fresh bacon is always better than bacon bits, but use what you like. And the cheese is melted. Delicious. Look at these potato skins. They look perfect, and I've served them with a little bit of sour cream and some green onions just to take that flavor over the top. And I have one here. I'm gonna go in for a bite. So good. I love potatoes, but you cannot go wrong when you top them with cheese and bacon, that smoky addition. So much better than what you get at a restaurant. So easy to make. It's a great use of any leftover potatoes that you may have on hand and transforms them into something spectacular. If you're wondering how I make baked potatoes in my air fryer, be sure to catch my next recipe where I share with you how to make restaurant-style baked potatoes using the air fryer. Until next time, happy cooking.